Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Emblem full guide. Start by inspecting the emblem and surrounding trim to plan your approach. Use plastic pry tools to avoid scratching paint while loosening the badge adhesive. Keep a clean rag and adhesive remover handy to clear residue before applying the new emblem. Work slowly and test, fit the emblem dry first, then press firmly when alignment is perfect. Warm the emblem area with moderate heat to soften adhesive and make removal safer. Slide a plastic pry tool behind the badge edge and work around slowly to free adhesive uniformly. If clips hold the emblem, release them gently to prevent breakage. Clean off adhesive residue with a suitable remover and a soft cloth, and inspect mounting areas for any broken tabs that might need repair before reattachment. Dry fit the new emblem to confirm alignment and check for fitment issues before applying adhesive. Clean the surface thoroughly with alcohol or adhesive remover so the new bond is strong and even. Apply double-sided automotive tape or manufacturer adhesive to the emblem backing, align carefully, then press evenly to seat all edges. Allow adequate cure time and avoid car washes or heavy weather until the bond sets fully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.